Barton in the WBAP Weather Center. New severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning is being issued for Ellis County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
Además le ofrece este programa en el momento que está en vivo o si va.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Ellis County until 1:15. Radar indicates thunderstorms producing torrential rain across Ellis County. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible across Ellis County. Flash flooding is either occurring now or imminent. Flash flooding of small creeks. Flash flood warning has been issued for Ellis County until 1:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Smith County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Winona, or 13 miles west of Gladewater, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, law enforcement confirmed tornado. At 9:30 a.m., law enforcement confirmed a tornado on the ground at Winona High School, moving northeast. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Big Sandy around 10:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Richard and Winona. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Smith, Upshur, and Wood. Tornadic thunderstorms include Richard and Winona. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Johnson County until 1:15. Radar indicated strong thunderstorms producing heavy rains across Johnson County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of at least 2 inches are likely in the warned areas of Johnson County. Flash flooding is either ongoing or imminent. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Multiple times today, I-35W has had to be shut down, or at least some lanes shut down near the Alvarado area because of high water. Once again, a flash flood warning issued for Johnson County until 1:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Barton in the WBAP Weather Center. A new flash flood warning is now being issued for Kaufman County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
Elijah saw a big storm.
Pero la gran tormenta sí es solamente una gran tormenta, no, que iba a acabar con la sequía sobre la tierra.
But it was not just
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southern Kaufman County and southwestern Van Zandt County until 3:15. Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across southern Kaufman and southwestern Van Zandt. Life-threatening flash flooding in southern Kaufman County and southwestern Van Zandt County. The flash flood warnings are in effect until 3:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for the Cerro Pelado burn scar in east central Sandoval County in north central New Mexico until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Between 0.5 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.75 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact Vallecitos Creek, West Fork Borrego Canyon, Paliza Canyon, Canada Quemada, Bland Canyon, and Rio Chiquito. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Cerro Pelado burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jemez Pueblo and Ponderosa. Runoff from rainfall will cause elevated water levels within vulnerable drainages in and downstream of the Cerro Pelado fire burn area. Do not camp along streams and rivers. Remain alert when hiking in steep, narrow canyons. Know where you are relative to low spots and drainages. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Sandoval, New Mexico. Has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Meshoppen, Auburn Center, and Elk Lake. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.